Hey, hello guys. So guys, today I am going to show you very interesting thing in Microsoft Excel. Now you can see there are two numbers and there are the names. So if I delete one of it, suppose this one, so you can see now this number 2 is missing because I deleted. But this number 2 now they change it automatically. So if I add one more name here, so you see automatically it's updated the number. Amazing, huh? So now let's see how we will do this. So for this we will put one small formula is equal to sequence. Then bracket. Then we will write count, then again bracket, and then we will select this name. Then bracket close, and because we don't want the first row, so -1. Yani the first row will be less. Then press enter. You can see now we have created. So I think it was very easy and simple, but if you have any inquiry, any comments, you can write in the comment box. Till the next video, take care. Bye.